Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G77 and let me share with you how to reset the settings on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the option System. Then let's tap on Reset Options, and on the third position we've got the option we're looking for, so Reset Device Settings. Device settings. So here we've got the information that our device will simply restore the phone to original settings, and any changes you've made to the following settings will be undone. So the battery, display and storage. So tap on Reset Device Settings if you're ready and confirm everything with your screen lock. Your device will again ask you if you really want to do it, and if you'd like to restore battery, display and storage to their original settings. So just tap on Reset Device Settings, and now we have to wait until this device will finish the process. As you can see, that was quite quick. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.